So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Knightron. In today's video, this is going to be an amazing update about the Bondex application. Since the Omega network has been launched successfully, people are now asking and giving me a message that what is the status of the Bondex, what is the current update about the Bondex. Nothing we are getting to know from you from the Knightron Crypto side. So I want to just give you the biggest update which is related to Bondex application, the mining application, in today's video. But before that, let me just tell you, if you are new into my channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel, because all the applications, all the airdrops or the NFT claiming, whatever it is, we give it for completely free, and it's 100% verified and legit airdrops we provide you in this channel. So make sure you subscribe our channel if you are new over here, and if you already are my subscriber, make sure you like this video, and I'm aiming for 150 likes on this video. So I'm pretty sure that you guys will do that in a easiest manner. So also let me just tell you, need to join this Telegram group. The link is given in the description. All the links will be posted over here, and we give so many airdrops which is not posted on YouTube, because those will be small airdrops and it will be easy to complete in 1 minute or 2 minutes. All the small airdrops will be provided over here along with the payment proofs, as you can see on the screen. Everything is given over here. So this Telegram group is for your own beneficial, so just make sure you join over here. So coming into the Bondex, guys, so I have a biggest update, that is the Bondex has been finally listed in the CoinMarketCap. So as you can see, the Bondex, it is written, and BNDX is their token name. So currently they are saying that it is untracked listing. That means the Bondex has not yet been listed. The price is not showing because not any exchange has been listed officially yet. So once it gets launched in any exchange, the price will show up over here. And also you can see this is going to be an interesting, because Bondex has, before even launching in the exchanges or before even launching in any exchanges, they have first made sure that they are listed on CoinMarketCap, because this will give the users who are mining in the application, it will give them their confidence too, and they can get the the trust in the application, so that they continue mining. And also, if I just tell you, if I go into the Twitter, they have given a new hidden message in their Twitter. So you can see over here, exciting news awaits as we approach the start of next week. So by the start of next week, they are going to give us the biggest news. So earlier they had said that they will be giving the previous week, but they have failed to do so, and they have also asked for an apology. You can see we owe you an apology, but they said also over here that stay tuned and stay patient, because the worth of the waiting will be more than that. You can see we promise it will be worth the wait. So how much ever time we have waited, it won't go in waste, they are saying like that. So upcoming week there is going to be a much bigger update that we can ever think of. Then I think it can be the update about the listing in any exchange. It can be anything, or it can be about how to withdraw it, maybe the guide or the complete detail to withdraw it. We do not know yet. These are all the speculations, and these are all the rumors. And let me just also tell you that the new application interface has been launched. So if you just look out for the old interface, it is something like this. So in some countries the new update has been come up. So I'll be sharing the screenshot. So this is how the new update will look like. You can see the complete interface has been changed. So this is released in some of the countries. This is 100% real, and you can see the application icon has been changed, and this is how it will be showing. And then there will be multiple sections known as invite, jobs, profile, settings. Everything will be changed completely. So this is going to be a really big update. It can be this update, or it can be about the token launching. So this is the new thing, and people are hurrying that when will the update come, because if you go into the Play Store, if you go and search Bondex over here, you can see, if you are Indian or if you are from any Asian country, you can see it will be written as Bondex, and the icon has been changed. The logo has been added, new one, the old logo has been taken off, and the update is yet to come. So don't be in a hurry, because there are many fake applications which they say as the update of new application of the Bondex. It can be found in Twitter or Telegram. people will scam you. They might try to steal your ID, because if your ID is gone from your hand, then all the tokens will be lost. So don't try to update now through the black market or any third party. Once the Google Play officially launches this update, only then you have to update. But for people who have gotten this update, it's because of their own country. Bondex has been released this new update in their country. It's very simple as that. So I think this update is going to be a bigger one, and people who are asking that they're having a little amount of Bondex, and they also try to complain that they have little amount of Omega network when it got launched. People are not happy that they're earning very little. Let me just tell you, we post these kind of airdrop. The Bondex mining, I have been mining since 2 years, and that is the reason I have some amount of more Bondex over here. And some people joined 1 month back and they complain that they have less. It's not possible. The cryptocurrency doesn't work that way. The crypto mining doesn't work that way. If you are early into the mining, you will be getting more tokens. So I'll be definitely making a new video where I'll be showing you the 10 mining apps, you should start to mine today. So if you are interested to see this video, just comment down that I want the 10 mining app projects or application video. Then I will get the confirmation that you guys are interested. So this is the only reason, because if I make this video, then most people and my subscriber will come into the awareness that the early projects they need to take part in. So that is the thing I need to tell, that don't be upset or don't be sad that you have little amount of tokens. It's just that you got into this application very late. So it is none of our mistake. It's not your mistake. It's not my mistake. It's just the matter of time. So that's all for today's video, guys. I think this video was going to be a big update I had to give you, since my subscriber were trying to ask me again and again, give us the update. So I think this is the update, and I think that's all for today's video. I'll be seeing you in the next video, guys. Until then, take care. Goodbye.